Introducing the 2021 Hyundai Tucson Executive HEV 5-door auto in stunning blue color. With only 7,500 kilometers on the clock, this MPV is the perfect blend of style and eco-friendliness. The 1.6-litre petrol hybrid engine paired with automatic transmission ensures a smooth drive every time. Packed with comfort and safety features, including cruise control, Bluetooth phone, rear armrest, anti-collision system, lane departure warning and more. This Tucson is perfect for both city driving and long road trips. The interior boasts luxury trim, ambient lighting, and plenty of storage space. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us now or visit our website kieranmore.ie for more information. Don't wait. Drive away in your dream car today.